Hi, welcome to the demo video of Appointment Manager. Appointment Manager is an Android, mobile, and tablet based application to manage your customers' appointments. To download the application, go to Play Store, type Appointment Manager. I've already typed that. Here, TES or this TES that I've added at the end stands for the Enterprise Store. It's the name of our brand. Click on this particular application. Uh, yeah, and install it. Since I've already installed it on the phone, so I'll simply click on open. Yeah, first let me log out and show you from the start. Okay, so this is the first screen that you will see. If you are a new user, click on the new user label over here. So here you can enter some basic details and click on the sign up button and your account will be created. So we usually provide a 15 days free trial period where you get to use all the premium features of this application without any cost. Also, if you have any queries, you can reach out to us using our dedicated help support section. So you can also click on the contact us label over here, type your message and reach out to us. Now, since I already have an account, I'll simply log into the application. Yeah, so for new users, we show a welcome message, a welcome screen, and we educate the users on how to use the application. So kindly go through all this content. And there's one more point. So the messages that will be sent to your customers will be sent from your device. So if you have the SMS pack or not, you can verify that with your network provider, but usually we have some 100 200 SMS that we get for free. So yeah, for more details please check with your network provider. Yeah, go through this after you log in. Yeah, so now this is the home section. So every time once you've logged in, every time you click on the app icon, you will come on this screen. This is your home screen. So first I would like to show you the my account section. So click on the three dots over here, click on my account. Here you get to see all the details regarding your account and the active plans. Okay, to know more about the plans, just click on the view plans button. Here we mention all the details regarding all the plans available. So we have a basic plan, okay, and then we have all other add-ons, okay, which are like easily customizable. So based on your choice, you can customize basic plan with any of the add-ons or all the add-ons. Okay, so kindly go through the details of all these plans, and in case of any queries feel free to reach out to us. How you can reach out? Through our dedicated help support section. Click on the three dots, click on help support, type your message here, and through WhatsApp or SMS, email, or of direct phone call you can reach out to us. We also have a dedicated FAQ section, so also check that out. Now directly let's jump into the features of the application. To access or add any appointment, click on the appointments section. So now I've already added some appointments for today, and as you can see there's a calendar view over here, and today's date is 15th, and I already have two appointments for 15th. So if you want to see appointments for some other date, you just have to click that other date. Yeah, and you will get to see all the appointments. To create a new appointment, click on the blue icon at the bottom. So here you need to add basic details like name, number, services. If you have services, you can add some details and then select a date and time. So we have another useful feature. If your customer is a new customer and you would want to save that in your phone contacts, so you can do that by checking the save to contacts option. So directly this new contact will be saved to your phone contacts application. Alternatively, you uh, if this customer is an existing customer, you can click on this icon uh, and search for that customer, and yeah, the details will be populated. So let us just add some sample services. So these services I've already defined, so we'll go to that section later on. We can add some details like demo. We can select a date and time. Let's select today's date. Let's select 3:45 p.m. and click on add appointment. So here you see multiple options. Okay, let's talk about the last two options. So yes, also send SMS. So when you click that, you have the ability to instantly send a SMS to your customers regarding the appointment confirmation. And the last option is yes, also send WhatsApp. So here you can send an instant WhatsApp message to your customer regarding confirmation of the appointment. Let's select the last option for now. So yeah, uh, and yes, you need to have the WhatsApp application installed on the phone. Okay, so yeah, click on this and the message will be sent. This message template that you're seeing can be customized very easily. I'll tell you how to do that in some time. And now as you can see, the appointment has been created, this 3:45 p.m. All the appointments are arranged in a chronological order. All the appointments where the time has passed, you will see that with a strike through. Okay, now to take some further actions on the appointment, all you have to do is swipe from right to left. Before going to the appointment actions, let's first talk about the history. So now let's say we have an appointment for this customer, and if you would like to see the history of this customer, all you have to do is click on this icon and you will see the entire history of this customer at a single click of a button. Now let's look at appointment actions. So if you have to send a reminder to your customer, click on the orange bell icon. Again, you can choose whether to send a SMS or a WhatsApp, and an instant message will be sent. If you want to cancel the appointment, click on the red cross. If you want to mark the appointment as complete, click on the green icon. So here you are seeing some amount like 1050. So how did this come? So as you can see, this customer has availed two services and the total comes out to 1050. So that has been populated. So the services have already been defined. So we'll go to that section in some time. Now, sometimes it happens that after an appointment, usually there is a follow up or a future appointment that follows. Okay, so for all such appointments, we have given an option to select whether you need to follow up on this appointment or not. So if you need to follow up, just click on this follow up. Select a future follow-up date. So let's say we'll select 18th, click OK, and click on yes. You can also click on SMS or WhatsApp option if you have to send a appointment completion message to your customer. For this time, I'll simply click on yes. And as you can see, the appointment has been completed. Before going to past appointments, let me show you another nuances of this application. So when you tap on the reminder icon, okay, and let's say you have already reminded your customer regarding the appointment, okay, so here a small red dot appears. As you can see here, a red dot appears over here. So this is a differentiating factor. Like, you can, from a huge list of appointments, you can easily see like uh, which all customers you've already notified. Okay, now there is one more appointment action which we call as user or customer action. So you can use it in a number of different ways. Okay, to give you an example, so like we have some clients, like we they have a hospital, where in a hospital, if we see, there are huge number of patients, right? And sometimes it happens like the people with appointments sometimes don't show up on time. So at that time, whoever is available at that moment, so they get a chance to see the doctor. Okay, now let's consider it's there's a huge list, okay, of appointments. Now clicking on this will add this small icon on this appointment, and we will be able to differentiate this from the rest of the list. So we can easily find out whether this person is available or not. Okay, this is just one example how the people can use this. You can use this according to your way, like in a different way also. So this is totally up to you how you want to use it. Like, you can also, I mean, toggle that. Okay. uh, so yeah, that was about the appointment actions. Yeah, you can also directly make a phone call by clicking on this. What else? Yeah, now we can move to, okay, yeah, one more thing. If you want to update the appointment, simply tap on this row. You can make the changes and click on update appointment. So when you update, again you get a chance to send a SMS or WhatsApp to your customers. Okay, now let us go to the past appointment section. For that, click on the three dots, click on past appointments. So here you can see all your past appointments. So as you can see, we cancelled one appointment and then completed two appointments today. Okay, so all that appointments are shown over here. Now we have given the option to select a date range. Let's say I want to see all my past appointments between 10th and 16th. So there we go. We see the complete list. And this small pop-up that you are seeing is the total amount received. So this is helpful in accounting. Let's say you want to see like what is the amount I received in this month. So you can easily do that, right? So this will help you in the accounts. And we have given this flexibility of date range, like you can select for entire year, weeks, months, anything you can select. Okay, and we have also provided a search option. You can search the appointments by name, number, etc. You can also export all these appointments into a CSV file. All you have to do is click on this icon and then share the CSV file on WhatsApp, email, Drive, etc., and keep that as a backup. Now sometimes after you have completed the appointment, you may also want to send a feedback message to your customers. Some people do that instantly, but some people want that in 24 hours or after few hours they want to send a feedback message. So that's why we have given an option, this green button. You click on that and you can send a feedback message to your customer. Okay, the second option is a follow-up option. So let's say you need to follow up with that customer regarding the past appointment. You simply have to click on this and you can send a follow-up message to it. All these message templates are customizable. Okay, we'll talk about that in some time. So this was all about the past appointments section. Now let me take you to the follow-up section. So click on follow-up. So here all such appointments that need follow-up will be shown. Now okay, there's one more feature. So here basically you are seeing the follow-up date. Okay, now all such follow-up dates that have been passed, where the time has passed or it's today, will be shown with a red color. Okay, so that you know that which follow-ups date has already gone. Okay, and again this list is sorted in a chronological order, like 18th April, then 23rd April, 30, etc. Right, we have also given a search option. Now clicking on this, you can also see the history of that particular customer very easily. Now from this appointment you have several options. Okay, first is delete. If you no longer want to keep a check on this appointment, simply tap on delete and it will disappear from the follow-up section. Second is send a follow-up reminder. Click on this to send a follow-up reminder to your customer. The third option lets you create an appointment instantly. Okay, so let's say you did a follow up with this person and then he decided to book an appointment with you. Okay, so all you have to do is swipe, click this. Okay, and let's say he has decided to meet us on 17th. Okay, change the date, let's say 11:50 am is fine. The services again you can change. I'll remove services, I'll add a different service this time. Okay, and click on create follow-up appointment. Again you can choose whether to send SMS, WhatsApp. I'll click on yes for now. There we go, the appointment has disappeared from the follow-up section and now it should appear on 17th. Yeah, you can see the new appointment that we created. Again you can quickly check the history by clicking on this small icon. So this was all about the follow-up section. We have covered everything related to appointments. Now first let me take you to the app settings. Okay, click on this. Yeah, so we were seeing the calendar view on the appointments, right? So you can also change the way how you want to see the appointments. So for example, if you only want to see appointments of a particular day, so you can check this option, show me appointments by day. So after selecting this you will only see appointments for those days. Okay, so this actually gives you more area, uh, okay, more focused view I would say, but that is totally your choice how you want it. The other option is don't show open appointments under past appointment section. So by default this is checked. So let me uncheck this and let's see what is the impact. So if we go here, so two appointments are in an open state. Okay, now if I go to past appointments, okay, I'll only see uh, in the default scenario I would only see completed or cancelled appointments, but now since I have unchecked that, I'm also seeing the open appointments. Okay, again this is like optional how you want to keep it. Next is the notifications part. Now if you want to receive a notification on your device before an appointment, x minutes before an appointment, you can easily do that. You just have to check this, it's checked by default, and you can define x minutes like 60 minutes. You can define like one day before, you just have to do that calculation in minutes. It's a one time activity. This is like a global setting. Okay, so before x minutes, before each appointment, you will get a reminder. Now we also have an option to automatically send SMS from your device. Okay, but this feature is not available in the version that is present on the Google Play Store. The reason for it is that Google Play Store restricts the functionality of automatic SMS sending. So that's why we have to give you that customized version of the product separately. Okay, and you can install that version on your phone, and then you will be able to use it. Okay, for more details you can reach out to us, and we'll be happy to share more details on that. We also provide couple of other customization options, like if you want automatic SMS for appointment feedback or appointment completion, etc., all those can be easily customized. So in case of any queries, feel free to reach out. Yeah, once you make any changes, you have to click on the save button. Okay, this is the currency. If you have to change it, again you can change it, click on the save. You can also change the default country code. Now default country code is so basically if you are in one country, 99% of the scenario, uh, uh, all your customers would also be from the same country. So that's why we have this option of default country code. So every time you create a new appointment, this default country code will be pre-populated. Okay, so yeah, next, coming to the appointment message templates. So the messages that we saw, like appointment booking, reminder, follow-up, completion, cancellation, or welcome. So we also have option to add more message entry points. So for such customizations, again feel free to reach out to us. And all such message templates can be easily changed. You just have to make changes to the message templates and click on the save button. Okay, as easy as that. So this was all about app settings. Now let's move to another section called customers. Click on customers. Here you get to see the complete list of your customers. Okay, and you also get to see the total number of appointments that that customer had with you. And we have sorted this list in a way that the top customers, that is the customers with the highest number of appointments, will be shown at the top. So as you can see, 16, 7, 6, these are the total number of appointments, and these are my top customers. Okay, the ones at the top. We've also given a search option over here, and all these customers can be easily exported to a CSV file, and yeah, you can keep it as a backup. You can easily contact a customer by SMS, WhatsApp, or a phone call option. Now let's move to the next section, which is analytics. So in this section we give you insightful details from the appointments that you added. Like the first pie chart talks about the total appointments completed, uh, how many are cancelled, how many are open. The next bar chart talks about the customer retention. So like how is your business growing. uh, so that is uh, one analytics. Next we give you insights regarding the busy hours, busy days, and busy months. So using these three parameters you can basically decide like how many staff to keep during busy hours. And so basically it helps you manage things in a better way from a managing perspective. Next we also show you the revenue chart based on your last 1 year's revenue, like how you are performing. Okay, then we show you the services count chart, where the total number of services availed you can easily find out. So yeah, uh, all such what you say bar chart, pie charts, basically all these information is shown from the appointments that you added. So as and when you add more appointments you will get more details. Now coming to the next section, backup and restore. So we recommend that you opt for this add-on. because data is really important, and if it gets lost, uh, then that's not right. So to protect your data from getting lost, so your data can get lost due to several reasons, like your phone getting reset, the application getting uninstalled. So by default, all the appointments are stored locally on your device. Okay, we don't automatically back up anything. Okay, so all your uh, appointments are only limited to your local device. So that's why if you uninstall the app or the phone gets reset, all your data will be lost. So if you have to protect your data, what you have to do is click on the backup option. If you click on the backup option, all your appointments will be safely stored on our cloud, and later you can restore them anytime by clicking on the restore option. Again, this add-on plan is optional. We recommend it, but it's totally your choice whether you want to go for it or not. Now let's move to the services section. In this section, you can define the services of your business. To add a new service, click on add new service, add the details, select color, and then click on add service. You can also update an existing service, like click on the row and simply update. You can also delete a service by swiping. Okay, you can also search a service if there's a huge list. Yeah, so this was all about the application. I hope you like it. In case of any queries, if there's anything, feel free to reach out to us, and you know how to reach out. Go to our dedicated health support section, type your message, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video.